Furious. Furious means very angry. The teacher became furious when she discovered that the students had not completed their assignments, despite repeated reminders. Ingenious. Ingenious means very clever. The student's ingenious shortcut made solving math problems much quicker. Freezing. Freezing means very cold. After being outside for hours in the snow, my fingers and toes were freezing. Delectable. Delectable means very delicious. The chef prepared a delectable dish with a perfect blend of flavors that left everyone wanting more. Zealous. Zealous means very eager. The young artist was zealous about showcasing her latest paintings at the exhibition. Exuberant. Exuberant means very enthusiastic. The team's exuberant celebration after winning the championship echoed through the stadium. Rapid. Rapid means very fast. The cheetah is known for its ability to move at a rapid speed, making it one of the fastest animals on land. Obese. Obese means very fat. The doctor expressed concern about the patient's health due to being obese and recommended lifestyle changes. Fragile. Fragile means very flimsy. The old book's pages were so fragile that they started tearing at the slightest touch. Munificent. Munificent means very generous. The philanthropist's munificent donation significantly impacted the community, funding various charitable initiatives. Indolent. Indolent means very lazy. Despite having important tasks to complete, the indolent employee preferred lounging around and avoiding work. Deafening. Deafening means very noisy. As the fireworks exploded in the night sky, the crowd was treated to a deafening display of color and sound. Excruciating. Excruciating means very painful. The athlete experienced excruciating pain after sustaining a severe injury during the competition. Destitute. Destitute means very poor. The family, unable to afford basic necessities, found themselves in a destitute situation with no financial resources. Devastating. Devastating means very damaging or upsetting. The news of the natural disaster's impact on the community was devastating, leaving many homes destroyed and lives shattered. Gorgeous. Gorgeous means very beautiful. She wore a gorgeous gown to the event, turning heads and receiving compliments throughout the evening. Packed. Packed means very crowded. The concert venue was so popular that it became packed with enthusiastic fans eager to see their favorite band. Thrilled. Thrilled means very happy or excited. The children were thrilled to find out they were going to Disneyland for their family vacation. Horrific or horrifying. Horrific or horrifying means very shocking or scary. The witness described the accident as horrific, with the aftermath being a scene of utter devastation. Brilliant. Brilliant means very intelligent. The student's brilliant analysis of the complex problem showcased a level of intelligence that impressed both classmates and teachers. Swamped. Swamped means very busy. With back-to-back meetings and a pile of pending tasks, she felt completely swamped at work. Mind-blowing. Mind-blowing means very amazing. The magician's performance was truly mind-blowing, leaving the audience in awe of his incredible illusions. Miraculous. Miraculous means very fortunate. Surviving the car crash with only minor injuries was nothing short of miraculous for the driver. Fearless. Fearless means very brave. The firefighter displayed fearless courage as they entered the burning building to rescue trapped occupants. Absurd or preposterous. Absurd or preposterous means very ridiculous. The idea that cats can fly is utterly absurd and goes against all known laws of nature. Frivolous. Frivolous means very unimportant or silly. Spending hours debating the color of the office walls seemed frivolous when there were more pressing issues to address. Impeccable. Impeccable means very perfect. The chef's attention to detail ensured that every dish served was impeccable, delighting the restaurant's patrons. Jittery. Jittery means very nervous. Before the big presentation, he became jittery, fidgeting with his notes and checking his watch repeatedly. Outstanding. Outstanding means very remarkable. The students' outstanding academic achievements made them stand out as a remarkable scholar in their class. Prestigious. Prestigious means very respected. The professor received an invitation to speak at the prestigious international conference due to her respected contributions to the field. Heartfelt. Heartfelt means very sincere. The couple exchanged heartfelt vows during the wedding ceremony, expressing their deep love and commitment to each other. Vital. Vital means very important. Regular exercise is vital for maintaining good health and preventing various health issues. Silent. Silent means very quiet. The library was so silent that even the faintest whisper could be heard, emphasizing the need for quiet concentration. Scrumptious. Scrumptious means very tasty. The chef prepared a scrumptious dessert that delighted the taste buds with its perfect combination of flavors. Minuscule. Minuscule means very tiny. The ant carried the minuscule crumb with great effort, showcasing its remarkable strength relative to its tiny size. Hideous. Hideous means very ugly. The old, dilapidated building was so poorly maintained that it appeared hideous against the backdrop of the city. Affluent. Affluent means very wealthy. The neighborhood was known for its affluent residents, with luxurious mansions and high-end amenities. Untamed. Untamed means very wild. The horse, still untamed and free-spirited, galloped across the open field with unbridled energy. Sagacious. Sagacious means very wise. The elderly philosopher was known for his sagacious insights into life, offering valuable wisdom to those who sought his counsel. Juvenile. Juvenile means very youthful. Her energy and enthusiasm for life were so pronounced that she seemed almost juvenile, defying her actual age.